What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Car Adventure Reg, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, like I mentioned, we're getting the LS clean today. So if you guys are interested in detailed videos, I'll definitely say stay tuned. Let's get into the video.
Look, I'm a rock star in real life. We was doing Grand Theft Autos, hitting licks, home invasions. It was a good night. Take the goods to the plug, then he bring us back by 2K. Feeling like a baller, see the Jordan on my shoelace. Nuketown, stepping off buses, hopping on fences. Call of Duty, me and my we in the trenches. Camping at the crib, playing true crime LA. Santa Dre's nice, bumping Ice Cubes, good days. Such a 90s baby though. If we grind it, then we grind it. Man, I feel like Tony Hawk. And my homies got the iron, man, they feel like Tony Stark. And you better watch your head, cause it get wicked up the door. Feeling like Kobe back in his prime. If we talking about the numbers, then I probably go LeBron. I'm a lion out the jungle, at the top I'm like the Dons. This my life, it ain't a movie, I won't be at Comic-Con. Look, big poppin', grinding like ain't no option. Throwing assist to all my homies. Got feel like John Stockton. Every week I stay dropping. Got y'all stay consistent in. Hurt the blind, lead the blind, but I got the vision in. Know the street deficient. Needed my assistance. Real since my existence. Came a long distance. Some of these days I get too stuck in no ways. Blame it how I was raised. Hush, get it displayed. Look, I ain't turning down to nothing. Shimmy the crown or something. Unit full of G's. Back when Lord Bass told me how to stun it.
This is the finished product right here. As y'all can see, man, just look at the headlights real quick. Boy, the headlights is clean. It feels good to know that I have nice paint, you know what I'm saying? Like, I really wanted to find that out. Car looks clean. He even polished. He tried to do the best that he could do on the wheels. I didn't expect them to be perfect, but you know, it is what it is. This thing look clean though. Clean LS. I'm gonna show y'all the inside. Clean the inside and stuff. Man, this thing look clean, boy. He did his thing. He did his thing. Got all the dust out from right here. Looks a lot better. Cleaned over here. Nice to know I got a clean LS, man. I like riding clean. I'm probably gonna take some gas station pictures and stuff later. This thing is clean, boy. Do one more walk around. Fresh new tires too. Oh, he also did the cleaning on the fog lights as well. So those came out clean. Let's go ahead and hop in this car, man. All right, y'all, back in the whip. Finna head to the house right now, man. I've been out all day messing with the slap and then, you know, doing the wash. Been out all day. It's been a pretty busy 2 weeks since I had this car. I ain't gonna lie. Like going to Lexus and, you know, not having a car for a week because, you know, they was doing all the maintenance, and then for me getting it out, doing more maintenance. Then the next weekend after that, getting the slap done, and y'all already know I've been dealing with that for 3 days because of these 5 1/4 speakers. And then finally getting down to doing my first detail with the Lexus Ls400. And like I said, this is gonna be the daily. You know, that's the reason why I did all this work, is because I plan on daily driving this car. I do not plan on shelving it like the other cars, like the G35 and the Legend. So this will be, you know, my daily. And the first thing I wanted to make sure is that the car run, and the second thing is I wanted to make sure that it was for my liking. If y'all know me, or if you are new to the channel, I love music, you know what I'm saying? I live, breathe, eat, sleep music, you know what I'm saying? And I needed subs. There was no doubt in my mind of me saying that, you know, Reg can't get subs, you know, in his daily driver. All my cars have subs in them, you know what I'm saying? From my old CL, from the G37 to the G35. The only one that don't have subs is the Legend, but we're going to be getting to the Legend very, very soon since I got the Lexus out the way. I do plan on adding a lot more stuff to the G35. But I really want to show the Legend a little bit more love, so probably gonna take the Legend to Sacramento to James real soon and do the rear main seal, the timing belt water pump, and EGR cleaning, so that car could be on the road just as much as the Lexus. And then probably doing the wheels on that car before I do the slap, and then probably doing the slap a little bit after that. Something about the sunset drives, man. Sunset drives is everything. Look at this. Nice drive. LS. It's like, I ain't gonna lie, like, I think I said it in my last video with the subwoofers, but I'm really proud of myself, bro. Like, I literally got done heck of stuff in a span of 2 weeks. Like, tires, brakes, oil change, timing belt, water pump, drive belts, radiator, the whole evap system, sound system, alignment. Like, I did all that in a span of 2 weeks, bro. Like, that's crazy. It's crazy, bro. I'm real proud of myself, man. And man, that's crazy. It's like, if you really lock in, you can really do what you really want to do, man. Like, all you gotta do is just lock in, bro. Just lock in. You can literally achieve what you want to achieve. And I told myself in a span of 3 weeks, well, I gave myself 3 weeks, I'm gonna get at least 95% of the maintenance done, which I did, and I'm gonna put slap in my car. You know what I'm saying? And I accomplished that. So I'm hella juice about that. Hella juice. Like, 2 weeks, man. It's been a crazy 2 weekends, bro. Like, with filming and doing everything from the Lexus and still editing videos, posting them, like well, I posted last week, you know, 3 times, but doing all this stuff and then working a regular 9 to 5 job, like, I gotta give myself credit, man. I really don't know how I do it, you know. I really don't know how I do it. It's crazy, like, it's just crazy, bro. I don't want to sit here and talk about myself. It just had a little moment, but yeah, man, I really hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys are liking the Lexus content. Now we can kind of move on into what I call fun content, as in informative videos, POV drives, doing a comparison video with the Legend and the G35, and doing a comparison video with Mark Ls400. So y'all definitely be on the lookout for those 3 videos, the informative videos, and whatever we get into the Lexus. But I can kind of say that I don't see myself doing anything else to this car besides doing valve covers. That's it. Everything else is pretty much done. I do want to upgrade the speakers in here. I do want to get wheels, but I could say it's not going to be, I'm not going to touch this car for a long time. Like, I done put a whole lot of money into this car, so right now I'm just about to chill. I'm about to chill on cars actually for a minute. I ain't gonna lie, I'm about to chill on cars for a minute. The only thing that I may do is buy some headlights for the G35, because I've been wanting to do that for a minute. So that's the only thing that I would expect in the near future. But, you know, informative videos, fun videos, driving videos, I definitely got y'all. But, you know, let me know in the comments and let me know how you guys are liking the channel so far, the Lexus content. What do you want to see me do with the Lexus or any one of my cars? I ain't gonna lie, I'm really falling in love with a 370Z, bro. I kind of want one, low key. I kind of want one. Like, 370Zs look hard, I'm not even gonna lie, but I know that was random. But yeah, y'all let me know in the comments of what content y'all want to see. Like I said, man, expect those 3 comparison videos. I got a car review lined up. I think I got 2 car reviews lined up that I think you guys are going to want to see. I got a lot of stuff coming besides the mods. The mods is going to have to wait for a while, because like I said, I done spent a whole lot of money for this car, and I'm actually going to do a video of how much I paid for this car, how much money I put in it so far, and how much I pay for insurance. with this car. So y'all definitely stay on the lookout for that. But I'm about to end this video. I'm about to enjoy the drive, about to turn on my subwoofers, about to kick back, probably take a little drive around the city or whatever, see what I get into. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, go ahead and like. Don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. You know, my channel is absolutely lit. Like, comment, let me know what videos you guys want to see, all that. And I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.